Come on. Here. I'll help you.
Come on, dude.
Riley, don't sit on the edge, honey. I don't want you to fall off.
That's a big guy.
Yeah.
Reel's falling apart. Man. You couldn't reel this one in. Not this one.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at your pole, dude. It's bindoed. That is some serious bindo action, buddy. Come on. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Right here. You gotta get over here so that we can get him. Oh, man. And pull up. Oh, come on. Get off of that. Is he on the anchor rope? I need to go around that pole.
Holy moly.
Yeah, he's on the anchor. We're over here now.
Go, Dean, go.
He's on the anchor line. Here, hold your pole, bud. I gotta pull this anchor up. Get your pole up. Get your pole up. Here he comes. Oh, you got a striper, dude.
A striper?
Bring your pole over here, dude. You got a keeper striper. Bring your pole.
He got a striper. He got a striper.
I think it's a keeper, dude. Come on, dude. Quit wrapping around the fucking rope. There we go.
Got him.
Gene,
Got
here.
that striper.
Bring him in the rest of the way. Reel him.
Dude, that's a striper there. That's a keeper.
Reel him in. Reel him in. Reel. Reel.
That's a striper.
Holy shit. Back him up a notch. Back up. Way to go, BB.
You just caught a drone striper.
You gotta measure him. He's bleeding already.
Yeah.
Because the hook's down his throat on this one. We need 18 inches out.
18 inches?
Yep. I don't think he's gonna measure.
10 inches.
Oh, he's so freaking close.
What?
I can't tell. I need.
He's 10 inches.
Push the button, Riley.
Which one?
On Dean's pole.